Linda, you like snow anymore?
No!
Why?
There's too much of it.
Why is there too much of it?
Because this stupid Mother Nature won't take it!
You happy you don't have any school?
What?
Are you happy you missed school now?
No.
But it's a snow day.
I don't care, I want school.
Why?
So I don't have to shovel, and I can learn!
Well, what does it mean for a snow day?